Hey guys, what's up? My name is Addie. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to click the big red subscribe button down below. And today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video talking about my Polaroid wall. So this is a very simple video, but a lot of people were asking how I did it, so I thought I would just give you guys a quick little how-to on my Polaroid wall. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so to create this Polaroid wall, what you'll need is an open wall. I used to have it more condensed in another area, but I think it's really fun having it take up the entire wall, and it's something I personally like, but a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, that's crazy. So what you'll need is a ladder or a chair. I liked having the ladder because I could set the Polaroids on the top of it and then I could reach it easily, but if you have a chair and like a stool, that would work as well. Then you're just gonna need regular Scotch tape. I liked the kind that's clear instead of the kind that looks like almost foggy a little bit. I like the clear one a lot, and then you'll need your Polaroids. It's super easy. I also did use a measuring tape in the beginning to try to get a structure of it. So I started out by counting all of the Polaroids that I wanted to put up. I didn't put all of them up, but I did start by counting out how many I had and then kind of using math to figure out, okay, how many would fit where and how much space do I need in between each one. So I started in the middle with a little section and then I branched out from there. And then as I kept going, I was like, okay, well, I don't want it too low to the floor because then you're not going to see those ones. But I also don't want it too high up because you won't be able to see that as well. So what I did was I started in the middle, like I said, and then I branched out this way, and then I stopped and started adding rows from there. It is a fairly simple process, but it did take me around 2 hours. If you see, it is very, very long, so it does take up almost my entire wall, and I'm planning to finish out the corners and the sides of it. But it is really fun and it's cool to do. And so another thing is that I was like caught in between doing them chronologically or doing them random. So I ended up going with random, so they'll be like, this one was from 2019, but then this one's from 2016, this one's 18, 17, to kind of spread them out by year, because I do take a lot per year, but more as the years go on, I'll take more. So there's a lot more 2019 than anything else. But I did think it was cool to have them all randomized instead of chronological, but you could do that too by starting up in the corner and then going from there, but it would take a while to have your Polaroids all taken and ordered correctly. That could be kind of hard to remember if you don't know when they were taken. But this is super fun and super easy, and all it required was the tape. And I also, another thing, I do switch them around as I get new ones. That way the whole sides are not filled with 2020 ones. So I take them out and I move them around a lot, and it doesn't ruin the paint or anything. I have not had any problems. I had a Polaroid wall up on that wall for about 3 years. And when I took off all the tape, it didn't take off any paint. So if you're worried about that, you're all good. If you're just using normal Scotch tape, it won't take off the paint. And another thing is, you don't have to measure them exactly perfect, but it is nice to have the measurements out. But yeah, so super simple. A lot of people have been asking me how I did my Polaroid wall. Very easy, not too hard at all, and it's super fun and such a creative way to display your photos, honestly. You can see like all the memories from all the years you have on the wall, and it's super cool. And yeah, I really like having it, and it's a really cool, fun conversation starter when people walk into my room and they look at the Polaroid wall, or even on Zoom during this time. I've had it as my background, and a lot of people are like, what the heck, that's so cool. How many do you have up there? I should count. Okay, so after counting, there are 191 Polaroids up here. It did take a long time. I started taking Polaroid pictures in 2015, so we are here 5 years later with all of this collection. If you guys would like to see a specific Polaroid collection, I know a lot of people have been asking me for that video. I would love to make one of those as well. So go ahead and comment down any requests you guys have below, and I hope that you guys stay safe. Please give this video a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. All right, bye guys.